Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I'm in the house with the Shirogorov Sinkevich collaboration Sigma here. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. Look at this, what we have here. This is the Sigma. It is a pretty cool collaboration with Shirogorov. You can check the certificate right over here. And it's a very, very cool knife. It's a liner lock. There's only 200 of this guy made. The overall length of this guy is going to be 9 inches with a 3 point, a little bit, I would say 4 point something inch long. Probably 3.9. Cutting edge inch long blade. Very, very cool carbon fiber liner lock. Look at the very, very subtle milling wavy going on in this amazingly done carbon fiber. It is a liner lock, 200 of these guys made. Overall length of this guy is going to be enough to call it a big boy, because 9 inches, it's not small, but I mean, it kind of feels great in my hand, and it's not that big. It's slim, it's slick, it's running on multi-row bearings. It's weighing 3.1 ounces. I mean, that's crazy. It's super light. Custom pivot, Dmitry Sinkevich tool is going to be needed for the disassembly of this guy. Titanium pocket clip, hidden screw for the clip, blue anodized back spacer, titanium of course, lanyard hole embedded right over here. You're going to be able to just pass like a very, very thin paracord, I would say, but blade absolutely centered, nice jimping going on, extremely low profile flipper tab. Would you look at that? Nick Shabazz is gonna be happy about that for sure. Gorgeous lines, feels great in the hand, action is ridiculous, the sound is a popping sound. It's gorgeously sounding. This bad boy right over here, very nicely done, full flat grind, stone washed finish for the blade. Look at these two, of course, proprietary screws right here. I mean, it's nicely done. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.